Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Lemon. Today we learn how to track someone's WhatsApp online status. It means we can monitor the online status of any WhatsApp number. So you have to install this Chrome extension, Lem Monitor. The link is in the video description. You can download and install this Chrome extension. So I have installed and open the web WhatsApp. Click on the icon. If you are looking this, if you're seeing this QR code, then okay. Otherwise, just click on the generate new. You can set the sound and notification. You can upload the CSV file of the contacts you have, or just manually add the number. For example, I'm going to add my friend's number here. Click on the add favorite. So now it's monitoring this number. Just click on OK. Okay. You will see here a pop-up notification here. Let's click on this. If you have noticed, and it will stop the buzzing sound. So here I have the pop-up notification that this person is online now. So it's a simple process to monitor someone's activity on the WhatsApp. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.